So the Waste Warriors unit is basically learning more about what is destroying the earth. And so we are trying to help the world stay healthy.
The whole second grade has been working really hard to stop trash from invading our earth. It's important to take care of the earth because this is the only planet we have right now.
This unit was about recycling and learning how to use our materials responsibly. We're helping kids understand that the things that they dispose of go into the environment one way or another. And so how can we make the most responsible choices? Where better to learn about recycling than the Chofu Clean Center, which is right down the street. So we got to walk there and see recycling in action.
Every day they collect about 25,000 bottles.
The Chofu Clean Center, we went there to learn how they store and what can be recycled and what can't, and what can be reused and what can't.
Yeah, did you guys see the medal? Yeah.
Then we went to the design lab where we learned about the Tetra Paks that are the cartons for our tea and milk from the cafeteria. We took those apart and found that they are made out of a lot of different materials that need to be separated to be properly recycled.
I hope you notice that so many different materials used. Plastic, cardboard, metal, and paper.
All right, let's see what happens. This has been in the soil for about 4 weeks. So what's happening to this one?
It's breaking apart.
It's breaking apart. What about this one here?
Oh.
What's happening to this one?
Still square.
And this one? What material do you think that was?
Metal. Foil.
After seeing the different materials in the design lab, we connected this to our composting that we're doing in the classroom.
We were putting banana peels and all kinds of things in a compost bag with special dirt that will help it decompose.
Part of our POL goal, friends, is when we're doing this just today, is to be a global citizen and to think, how can we take care of our planet?
Next, we went to both Nogala Park and ASIJ campus, and we looked around to see if litter was an issue.
We are picking up trash to help the
environment. To clean our world makes it better for other people.
We noticed that we have a lot of litter around ASIJ, so we decided that's one thing we could do to help our community is we could spread this message and we could build awareness about this.
If I look back in the past, I didn't care. I always threw away stuff. When I started to learn about it, now I really think it's important.
It means that I had to be a waste warrior because for my personality, I think for myself, I was littering and doing things that was not okay. Some people are helping the earth. So I think that's the coolest thing that I learned. So I want to be a person like that.
If you ever have any questions or should I recycle this or not, just ask us around campus if you find us.
Be a
Waste warriors!
like us.